What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal London Hawthorne, and I'm here with another unboxing. This shipped from Oak Ridge, Tennessee to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. Check out my other ones. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can go to cool sites like riptapparel.com, that's RIPT apparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice. Use my coupon code when you're checking out, London Hawthorne. That's my username. You'll save a couple bucks off every shirt. I think it's like $5 or more. Or just share my videos. Either way. Alright, we got some Mattel Elites. I am a collector. I do have an ear infection. I don't know why I pointed to that one. It's in this one. So I am a little under the weather. I'm a little less enthused than in my normal videos. But hey, I'm here. I'm still standing. I'm still strong. First up, we got Goldberg. WrestleMania. This, you can build Paul Ellering with Rocco. Very cool. With the WWE Championship. We've got, also in this line, Shawn Michaels. I don't know if they have a line number, but it's that. We have, rest in peace, Chyna. And we have Edge making his return to the ring. We'll say, I guess same with Goldberg. As always, thanks for watching my videos. So we got the complete set to make Paul Ellering and Rocco. I guess Chyna just comes completely with Rocco. Edge comes with Paul's head and upper torso. Shawn comes with his legs. That means Goldberg has an alternate head and hands. Kind of got the shaft on that one. As always, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. Have a great day. As I put these back in the box, I wish you the best. And go to your doctor if you don't feel good, because I did, and I do. Have a good day.